winds blow through the empty pathways of my mind, and the rivers flow like the world has told them not to stop. Stand my ground, hear the sounds, take a breath and just let go.
I wasn't planning to film because I want to do a sit down video. I've been stressing myself so much. At the end of the day, it's kind of affected me. I can't really sleep sometimes, not all the time. And also kind of being intentional with my to-do list. I don't try to do everything at the same time. Let's say I wrote 1 to 10 of the things I want to do for the day. If I'm able to actually do maybe 3 out of what I wrote down, I will rest. So that is just what I did. When you rest, you tend to help your hormones as well.
House, that there may be meat in my house, and prove me.
See this? No, no, no. I'm getting another product.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes. Ruthless, I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Slipping through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you know.
Today I wasn't really feeling like talking because I'm still recovering. For the past, let's say, 3 days, I've been sick. I was down with typhoid and malaria. It have not been easy, honestly. I'm still recuperating. As content creators, we tend to forget that we still need to take care of ourselves. We still need to pay attention to our body, because I know that my body was giving me signs and I was not just paying attention. How was your January fasting? Did you join? Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm Tingri Faye back away. Good afternoon, my lovely Amista. I don't even know where to start from. I've not been coming up here. I'm really sorry about that. A lot have been happening at the background. Let me just gist you what I've been up to. The 21 days fast that we the NSPPDN did last month. I wasn't just focusing on my YouTube, but this time around, my promise is you're going to see me. I went to losing my hair yesterday. Let me show you guys my new hair. Ta-da! Ta-da! This is my new hair. My front hair is actually growing small. So yesterday I went to fix my car because my car was kind of showing me one or two signs here and there. So I had to call my mechanic to come and check the car out. So I left the car for him, went to losing my hair. I had to go and work on my speaker because this speaker is specifically for praying, so I cannot stay without speaker. I've been a lover of music. Talk more of now where I say I hold God so tight, like the way I hold the speaker. After I was done with everything, I think it was around 7 p.m. ish. I was coming back home. Guys, I was stuck on traffic. It just made small thing for me to start crying. My car stopped working. Like, it stopped moving on traffic. I mean, trailer on Nazo. I was just saying, error, yo. So what I was just muttering in myself is, hey, I am an NSCPDian. I am an NSCPDian. Satan, who are you? This car, who are you? I called my mechanic. My mechanic said, oh, that I should leave the car there, and my house is just not far from the express. So he said I should leave I was like, leave the car where? Are you sure they're not going to thief my car? I had to turn off the car. The moment I turned the ignition, the car was like, vroom. I was like, hey, God, I beg you, thank you. That accident that was trending one time, was it last month or 2 weeks back? A tanker filled with fuel and buses collided and thing went boom. Matanka miri, matanka uncle, I don't even like any of that. I don't like driving near it. Either I leave it to go, just gabaro umugi, or if I'm inside a bus, maybe I'm traveling down to Anambra, I will just tell my driver, please, if you don't want to calm down to drive, don't overtake. But if you don't want to calm down, please let me just alight. Let me calm down.
People, they don't know that I've made my choice to follow. I follow the Lamb wherever He leads, yeah. Nina Yesu neba.
I'm going to apologize for not having my mic right now because I'm really in a hurry. It's almost 2 o'clock on the dot, so I want to just talk to you all, then zoom out. I have a list of to-dos. I'm gonna get 1 or 2 things in the market. This Friday is my brother's matriculation day. I don't even understand this style. They can do Egyptian. This helps me to keep my day organized. I love writing down things that I want to do for the day. I have a lot of things to buy. I might not do a market vlog because I'm trying to know if I can vlog for my other platform. Yeah. And I'll catch you guys later, okay?
You thought you had me bound, but I broke free. The chains of shame have lost their grip on me. I'm standing tall, my head held high in light. With every step I take, I'm ready.
I go see my about yeah, plate of here. I won't enable me the
Mana ye deliver a cooking pot.
I brought my kaya for your head ever. What
I'm currently at ShopRite. I want to get apple. The last person that I bought apple from, the person did not sell apple. What the person sold was another fruit, and they painted that fruit apple color. God, it's fruit and amadola. That being said, I want to get apple, English pear, and Vitamilk choco. Yeah. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Sunday. Guys, guess what? Ola Bulu. I didn't sleep on time yesterday because of Hallelujah Challenge, and also I woke up around 9, but my body was just telling me, Mimi, Jenna Bora, Jenna Bora, Jenna Bora. So I had to just go back to sleep, and I woke up by 11. I was feeling so healthy. I felt like something wasn't missing. Honestly, sleep is paramount in our life. Can never be overemphasized. I have a list of things I'll be getting today. I don't have proteins anymore to buy chicken, eggs that I can just put in my fridge because yeah, I don't leave my room. I don't leave this room. I'm always busy 247, editing, filming. Guys, I bought skipping rope. Manage any skip, can when keep fit. I'm going to catch you guys later. I hope you went to church. Don't be like me. I'll be joining online service on Koinonia this evening, so that will atone for me not going to church. So guys, I'm ready to move. I'm ready. Yeah. I'm going to the market right now. I'm not even driving. I'm going to trek. I'm gonna trek. Hi guys, only Jabatago. I'll just do a quick haul of what I bought in the market. Obviously, I'm not going to cook because I'm exhausted. Show them the boom. So I bought 1 crate of egg. This is 6.5. One of them can go and get one inside. Aqua Fugo Shegebanza. I bought yogurt. I bought 3. I also have another one in the freezer. I'm going to use it as lunch. Yeah. I got this yogurt from Krista Parfait. I bought oranges. I bought this. I bought salad. I bought scent leaf for my stew. My tomatoes. I have my tomatoes. I want to make stew that will just keep in the fridge. This is the chicken that I bought. This is 2 chicken. One is 9.5, while the other one is 8.5. Yeah, because I don't have any protein at all, and I don't want to be buying frozen meat anymore. I bought 2 packs of water because I drink water a lot. That's why I even sweat a lot. I bought carrots because I want to make fruit juice, then also want to take some for my stew and for my salad. Last one, I bought jima for my stew and jollof rice. I wanted to buy banana buns. Second thought, I'm like, let me leave it. So guys, that's all. I'm tired. As you can see, I'm sweating, so I need to go and shower.
There's nothing to hold there. What is this shout and this prayer? Why will you come and be shouting and jumping? Why will you drop your prayer request?